Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I want to thank you for following this channel of mine, and I hope that you benefited from all the videos that I have been doing. Okay, do like and subscribe. Okay, if this video is going to help you, and do share. Thank you. Okay, so today I want to talk about one topic. This forwards. Okay, this forwards is basically trader reacts and investor predicts. Okay, with this forward, right, you can really understand what is always in the trader's mind and in the investor mind. Okay, so let me elaborate. Okay, as a trader myself, right, what I'm looking at, right, is the flow of money. Right, in my separate videos, I actually explained that if the money is flowing up, okay, I'm looking to buy. If the money is ranging, it's going up and down, going nowhere, I'm not looking to do anything. But when the market is going down, okay, I'm looking to sell. Okay. By knowing the flow of money, right, what I'm trying to say, right, in the FX world, right, I'm trying to look at economics. I'm trying to look at money supply, right. Let's build a case. For example, US and Singapore. Okay, where are you going to put your money more? Okay, not just you, most investors in the world. So assuming if the country is doing well, right, that's where most of the money will go there, right? And when most of the money will go there, right, the currency of the country, right, will strengthen, right? So understanding economics is part of what I do as a currency trader. Okay, then I will go into the technical analysis. Okay, what is TA? So technical analysis, right, is basically trying to look at price structure, right? Certain price could be supported, okay, or could be resisted. Okay, so when it's supported, right, in these areas, right, I'm looking to buy up. Okay, if it's resisted, right, means I'm looking to sell down. That's it. Okay, but one thing that I'll look at when price is at that level or at that structure, right, I will want to look at price action. So price action is basically how price is moving. Okay, be it based on candlestick or chart patterns. Those are the things that I look at, or you can even use indicators. There's a few indicators that I look at when I try to see whether the market is more towards buying or selling. Okay, and of course the last thing that I want to address is the risk management. Okay, go to my another video that I actually talk about strategy versus emotions versus risk management. Which one is more important? Okay, not going to talk more in terms of how I do my risk management, but these are the things that I do as a trader. Okay, then coming back to investor. So as investor, right, the time horizon is actually longer. Okay, as a trader, my time horizon is very short. So trader time horizon for me, maybe like a few hours to a few days to a few weeks. Okay. Investor for me, very simple, minimum more than 5 to 7 years to 10 years or even longer than that. So that is my time horizon. Okay, so because it is a longer view, right, when I invest in companies, right, I obviously look at the fundamental of the country that I'm investing in, and of course the industry. Okay, and then from the industry, right, what is one thing that we look at, right, is actually politics. Okay, this is a very interesting topic. Okay, if you are investing in Singapore, right, if you have a hung government, right, that will be something that will cause a shock to the system. Okay, but if you are looking at US, right, actually for most investors, right, the fight between the Republicans and the Democrats, right, has been there for decades and centuries, right, and this is something that investors are used to. Right? Like all the news that you are hearing between the current government and the previous government, right? All the news, right? These are all noise, right? But as investors, right, we all know that these are common things that we need to have when we are investing in US. Okay, so you may think that having a consistent government is better for the country, but for US case, it may not be the case. Right? It is just a different system from us, and most investors understand that. So most investors will sort of price their risk into their portfolio. Okay, so for investing in other countries like US, it's actually more like companies, right? So we do look at politics. We do want to have like put on game theory, put on all the scenarios that will happen, and then decide what kind of structure, what kind of portfolio we want to create for ourselves in the various economy. But again, we do not just want to look at purely the economy, the politics. We also want to look at the business. We want to make sure that the business is sound, the business is profitable, and the business is generating cash. Okay. For me, I like to invest in companies that are cash generating. Okay. What do I mean? I spend a lot of my time on the cash flow statement. Okay. Why? Because comparing to one business, right, that is generating cash from their business activity, right, which is consistently generating, and another business, right, is generating cash from selling of their property. Which one is better? The first one, right? Why? Because if the business is constantly generating cash, okay, of course, the way it generates in terms of the acceleration is very important. Means like year on year, is the cash generating from the business is getting higher and higher, faster and faster is better. Or minimum, it should be stable. Okay, it should not be in a declining mode, right? That is business that I will probably want to be a bit mindful of. Okay, and of course the second scenario, if the cash flow, if the business, if the profit is one time, and it's not going to happen like multiple years moving forward from today, right? There are business that I probably will not want to be holding also. Okay, so investing in business that is cash generating from its business activity, and then end of the day, because of my familiarity with technical analysis, right, I will still use technical analysis on it, quite similar to what I explained in earlier on when I am trading. But of course, end of the day, again, risk management. In my another video, I actually said that before I put in the trade or the investment idea on that stock, right, I will ask myself, what is the one thing that I don't like about this investment? Okay, and I will not brush this question off. I will spend a few days asking myself, because why? I want to make sure that my emotions are not so highly attached to this trade or investment idea that I generated for myself. So I hope that this video will really give you an understanding of what I mean by trader reacts and investor predict. Okay, I hope you like this video. If you think that someone can benefit from this video, please share this video, and likewise subscribe to the channel and click notification, as there will be more future videos coming your way. Thank you very much. Bye bye.